Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down twice from the top of your screen, which will extend the list of visible toggles, and you will see that our power saving mode isn't visible right here by default. So let's click right here on this pencil, and we want to find our power saving mode somewhere in here. As you can see, it's under utilities. Just click on the plus and then go back, and now we have access to it on the other page that it created. So from here, simply tap on it and it will enable power saving mode. Now this one, I don't know if this is default or not. It actually might be, but by default it looks to be enabling the ultra power saving mode. So if we go back to this toggle and hold it instead of clicking on it, it will take us to the settings. And here you can see that it gives us the extreme battery saver. Now you can change it to the standard battery saver, which will be the one that you most likely are used to. As the extreme battery saver, basically, we close this, removes access to things like applications that wouldn't be considered essential, removes widgets, and for instance the other, look at Google Discovery page or whatever it is, I think it was written there. So it does kind of limit the usability of your device, but its sole purpose is to preserve as much battery as it possibly can. So it literally kills off any kind of process that isn't essential, and that will give you the best battery life. While the normal standard battery saver works similarly to what you would expect your Android to work like by default. The only difference is it usually disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when you don't use your device for an extended period of time. It's doing that to preserve battery life, and additional things would be things like the refresh rate will be changed of the display from 120 to 60, and screen timeout will be reduced to quicker, just kind of dim the display and preserve battery life. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once again and tapping on it once more. Now whichever option you change to, that will be the default option now. So now that I enable it, it goes back to the regular battery saver mode, not the extreme one. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.